welcome back to Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal. Coming at you today with a salty treat, and this one was made. I've made some matzo balls. Yum, yum, yum. And there is 6 in here, and it would be 9 carbs for all 6 and the 4th cup of pizza sauce. So that's pretty low. If you wanted to eat all 9 of them, it would be 9 carbs, including the sauce. So that's incredible. Now, after the video, you'll get the slideshow on how to make them. They were super, super easy. Another super easy keto treat, and I'm guaranteeing they're going to be delicious. Now, they almost look, just a smaller version, they almost look like the cheddar bay biscuits I did, the one to imitate the red lobster biscuits. But these ones, you know, that was done with cheddar cheese and a little bit different way of making them. These ones were mozzarella cheese because we're calling them matzo balls, and I did it with almond flour. Super, super easy to make. I mean, just a few ingredients and you got yourself an awesome treat. Now, we got New Year's coming, and if you're going to have a New Year's party and you want to keep it keto, put these out. I'm guaranteeing everybody's going to love them. I haven't tried them yet, but I've had a lot of almond flour things that I've made, and I've loved each and every one. So I'm sure they're going to be delicious. But make these for a holiday, for your New Year's party. Start your New Year's off the right way. Start 2020 off eating healthy and doing keto. Let's make this year an amazing year, and let's everybody get healthy. If you don't understand what the ketogenic diet is, I do link my email down below, and I would love to help you get started. But all of my videos here do a lot of teaching too. When I do my mukbangs and like keto style healthy eating show, I do a lot of teaching in there. I've done other videos on keto. I just did my 4-year journey keto. Just go into my playlist and look up keto style mukbangs or look up my keto journey. Just different things like that, and you'll get lots of information because I give lots of information in there. But if you don't have a lot of time and you want to get started and you need to understand macros and how to get started and how, you know, the ketogenic works, like I said, my email's down below. I'd love to help you out, but I have to ask some personal questions, your age, gender, height, weight, you know, different things like that. So it's just easier if you email me and I can get you started. I have helped thousands get weight off and get healthy because I was taught professionally by a keto doctor, 2 keto nutritionists, and my brother who teaches this as a job. I've had so much success myself. I've studied and learned so much myself that I would love to teach you the proper way. And everybody that I've taught have all either got all their weight off, are almost got all their weight off, are losing weight, or, you know, just beginning and having success. You will have success. I guarantee that. And I'm going to make 2020 my best year ever and help many more people than I did even last year. I did like over 1,000, I think. So I want to, you know, quadruple that. I want to help everybody get their life back and understand that the proper way in life is how we eat. That affects, our eating affects everything. Our, you know, blood levels, how we, you know, live every day health-wise, like if you get sick or not. Just, you know, medications we take, it affects everything. The way we eat. It really does. And I have learned that by doing the ketogenic. I was on 20 medications for a heart condition, for high cholesterol, for high triglycerides, for blood pressure meds, for stomach problems. I've eliminated 19 of them. I'm on one medication, a very low dose. It's a beta blocker for my heart. My heart improved so much. I developed a heart condition way back 21 years ago when I had my son. It's called postpartum cardiomyopathy. And for 16 years, I lived on medication and, you know, tried other, you know, ways of losing weight, lost substantial amount of weight, but not doing the keto. And I wasn't eliminated off of anything. I started the keto, and right after just a few months started being eliminated, and my heart is almost at 50% now. It was around the 30s when I first started, when I first developed the heart condition, it was at 8%. My heart was at the heart of an 83-year-old. They said that I was going to face a heart transplant. But you know, slowly but surely things started to improve a little bit, but never ever back to almost a normal range. I am almost normal now. My heart's almost at 50%. Most people live around 50%, unless you're an athletic person, might be a little higher, but I'm almost at that 50% mark, and I'm doing well, and I've eliminated 19 medications. That's just amazing, you guys, absolutely amazing. So the ketogenic, it just proves that it's how we eat. Back in our ancestor time, they did not have everything that we have now, and carbs are what's killing America. So that's what the ketogenic is a super low carb diet, protein protein and high fat diet. But when doing it for weight loss, you use your high fat as your high fat source to start off with till you get all the weight off, and then you're going to eat good healthy fats, and that is nuts and eggs and good healthy fish cooked in coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, like the different oils that we use, good red meats, different things like that. That's what you're going to do. That's how you're going to eat. You're going to eat super healthy, but get those good healthy fats and nuts. Nuts are such a good source of fat and so good for you. But yeah, it's just, I want to make 2020 the best year I can. I want to help everybody learn the ketogenic, get their life back, and live healthy and eliminate medications. Keto will do everything. Look it up. It will cure everything, especially when you're doing intermittent fasting. And they recommend at least 16 hours where you don't eat and 8 hours where you eat, okay? And everybody will be in a set of macros as you, whatever weight you are, you'll be in a certain set of macros, and then going down as you, get the almost all your weight off, and then you're going to increase. That's the great thing. I am 5'3" or 5'2.5", 5'3", right around there. And I eat 22 to 2,500 calories a day, all ketogenic, keeping my carb at 20 or less a day. And I have maintained this weight for almost 2 years, you guys. It's the most sustainable way of life, and it's making America change. It really is. 99% of people fail on diets, but this is one that people are succeeding on. They are all losing their weight. It's just amazing. And it's because of how it used to be. That's how we all used to eat way, way back in our ancestor Bible time. That's how people used to eat until they brought in all the garbage. The food industry brought in all this food. And then, of course, then we got the drug industry making money and doctors making money on, not to cut them down because we need our doctors, but I'm just saying, to throw us all in these medications that have all these side effects and everything. No, we want to live our life with good, healthy foods, not on medications to try to keep us healthy. No. So if you want to get healthy, I'm here. I'm your gal to help you. And I don't want to make this video too long because my keto treat videos are shorter, but I just wanted to go over a few things being, close to the new year. I just wanted to go over a few things with you guys real quick before we try this treat here. But again, if you need help, definitely, shoot me an email and I will help you. And if you are interested, right there, right down in that corner is the red subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you are notified of all of these uploads. So you'll learn so much because I'm going to make 2020 even better. I'm going to be doing many videos, not just recipe videos or like healthy keto eating shows. I'm going to talk more about ketogenic and stuff like that. So you want to hit that bell so you're notified of all of that, along with my beautiful nails and outfits of the day that I load on Mondays and Fridays. And then also share around my channel so I can grow, you guys. I need to grow bigger and help many more people get their life back, okay? I want to help everyone. I am working on my cookbook. I've got over 170 recipes and like 70 different keto treat recipes. Most of mine are all 6 carbs or less for a serving. I'm just telling you that this here is 9 carbs if you ate the whole thing yourself. You want to try to stay within 6 carbs in a setting if you're eating more than 1 meal a day. I eat 1 meal a day. So that being said, I just had my dinner and that's why I'm going to enjoy one of these. But if you are doing like a 16-hour fast and then you're eating a couple meals a day, you want to try to keep it within 6 carbs a day. That does not mean that you're going to say, well, how do I reach 20 carbs then? If you can't reach it, you don't have to. You do not have to meet your fat macro or your carb macro. You do want to meet the protein macro, which is half your current body weight always, just to keep your hair and, keep healthy and all of that. It's important for your protein. And you can go a little higher in protein if you're lowering the fat to try to lose weight. But again, that's things I'm going to teach you as I go along, and I have taught. So go back and look at my videos. But let's get into these matzo balls. I'm excited to try them, and I'm just excited that this is going to be a new year. Today is New Year's Eve. I wish all of you the best New Year's ever, and I hope all of you guys are safe tonight. Be smart, make smart choices, and I hope the new year brings you the best health ever. And like I said, I'm always here to help. Watch my videos, and you'll learn so much. Yes, you will. And I will also be your AA if you need to get, you're falling off that keto train, you need help, email me again and I will kick your butt back into keto again and back on that keto train. I want to help everybody. 2020, they say 2020, what is perfect vision, they say? So let's say that 2020 is going to be a perfect year. Now, let's get into these matzo balls. They are about... they're about the size of like a meatball that you would normally make or get out, about the size of a meatball. And they are done with the almond flour and mozzarella cheese. Look at that, you guys. Yummy, yummy, yum. Let's try it with the pizza sauce. Oh my God, yum. Oh, my husband's going to like these. He wanted one of these before I started my video, but I said, gotta wait till after. Oh my God, these are good, you guys. Holy crap. It's like a cheddar biscuit. I mean, a cheese biscuit. That's what it tastes like. Mmm. Watch again when I break this. Watch. Look at that cheese. Ah, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Mmm. I would say each one, if you're considering it's 9 carbs for everything with the sauce and everything, each one is maybe a carb. Yeah, about a carb because you got to count the sauce. So it's probably about a carb and a half for each one. Mmm. Delicious. Yum. I don't know how I do it, you guys, but I figure out awesome recipes, very low in carb. And I'm hoping 2020 I come up with more amazing recipes. Mmm. God, these are really, really good. Yeah, I did do the cheddar bay biscuits. I did an imitation of the ones from Red Lobster. Check out my playlist and look under. I don't know if I did that in the keto mukbang. I think I did. Or it might have been a treat, but I think I did it in a keto mukbang. I did the cheddar bay biscuits. So just look that up. Just, you know, just read down in the playlist. Go to keto style mukbangs and read down till you find the cheddar bay biscuits. Oh my God, these are so crunchy and yummy and soft in the inside. Now, in the recipe, you're going to see how I made it. Now, these wouldn't be real high in fat because almond flour isn't high in fat. Mozzarella cheese isn't high in fat, it's a low fat. The only thing that made this a little higher fat would be the eggs. Now, I added 2 eggs. You could do 4 egg whites. Okay, that's what you would want, 4 egg whites or 2 full eggs. But if you want to save on fat, do 4 egg whites. And then on the top, after it was all done, I did melt a tablespoon of butter and brushed it across. After they were done, you don't even have to add the butter. That just gives it a little bit more oomph, you know. If you're in maintenance like me, go ahead and have the butter. I didn't even end up using the whole tablespoon on all of them. There was still some left, so you only get a little bit. So you could use the butter if you wanted to. But if you're trying really hard to lose and you want to eliminate as more, you know, the most fat you can, then go without the butter and go without, you know, do 4 egg whites. But you'll see the recipe. But wow, these are good, you guys. Oh my gosh. I want to dig into all of them, but I'm going to make sure my husband gets some. And I'll probably end up having like one more. I've already had my dinner. Don't want to eat too many. Even though I am in maintenance, I still pretty much have at almost all my calories for the day. So I'm definitely going to have one more of these and then let my husband enjoy them. Oh my gosh. These would be good with like one of my recipes that I've done. I've done spaghetti dinners. I've done Alfredo dinners. It'd be really good on the side with that. But like I said, with the holidays coming, or not coming, with New Year's here, New Year's Eve today, make these and bring them to your New Year's party or make them tonight for the party at home. Make them, you know, double the recipe, quadruple the recipe, however you see my recipe, however many you need, just keep, you know, adding to it and just keep doing it exactly the same, but just doubling it, quadrupling it, tripling it, quadrupling it, whatever to make the amount that you need, and know that they're only about a carb and a half a piece. Pizza sauce, find the lowest you can. I am using a great value, I believe, from Walmart. It's like 4 carbs for a 4th cup, and I have a 4th cup in here. And look, I barely used anything for one of them. You're not really going to use a lot just to dip them. So, but that would be the most of the carb would be in the sauce. So you don't even have to eat the sauce. A lot of them, you know, kids don't even like the sauce. They like that, but a lot of people like the sauce too. So definitely do your sauce. And like I said, for all 6 of them with the sauce was 9 carbs. Unbelievable. So I hope all of you are going to have a wonderful new year. Please, again, like I said, be safe tonight, be smart, make smart choices, and start keto right now. Get on that keto train and you're going to love your life. You're going to watch how all the amazing things that'll happen to you and all the amazing things that'll change in your life. You'll be eliminated off of meds. If you're pre-diabetic, I was pre-diabetic, cured it. If you're type 2 diabetic, you'll be getting off all of your meds, your insulin, everything. It's just an amazing way of life. It really is, you guys. If you have high blood pressure, you're going to eliminate that. You're going to eliminate everything. But you got to follow this properly. And like I said, if you're doing it for weight loss, understand that your body fat, if you are obese or overweight or have fat on your body, that is your high fat. So you're going to use that to start with. Use that and eat lower fat foods, the low carb, the 20 carbs or less a day, and you're half your body weight in protein, and you're going to feel amazing that your body will kick in and feed you all the fat it needs. And then when you get to maintenance like me, you're going to enjoy fat. I love all of you very much. Have a very happy new year, and we will see you in my very next upload. I'm excited and I hope to get a bunch of videos up. If I am a little bit busy this week just because of the new year, I will get back to everything as soon as I can. Money's been spent a lot because of the holidays, so I'm trying to get some new recipes and, get to the grocery store and get things just waiting to get paid. But I will do my best to keep my videos going this week. If not, next week, everything will be back to normal. I love all of you very much. God bless. Take care. And I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. Happy New Year to all of you. Alrighty, here's the ingredients for these matzo ball biscuits. You're going to need eggs, almond flour, mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, Irish cream butter, Italian seasoning, a bowl to mix in, a cookie sheet, a 1-cupper, a brush for brushing the butter on, and a tablespoon. Let's start by preheating the oven to 400, and then let's get our mixture going. 1 cup of almond flour, 2 eggs, and then give it a good stir. Then add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and we're going to stir it again. And then add some Italian seasoning, and then stir it again. And then roll them into ball shape. It will make 6 of them. Put them on a cookie sheet and into the oven for 12 minutes. When they're done, pull them out. Look at how golden brown they look. We're going to melt some butter in the microwave, 1 tablespoon. Brush it onto each one of the matzo balls, and then let's serve them up, adding 1/4 cup of pizza sauce. All of this came to 9 carbs, even including the pizza sauce. So they're around 1.5 carbs a piece. And holy moly, were these delicious. The hubby was in love. This would be delicious for a side dish or even with like a spaghetti dinner, keto style.